Fresh milk, 1 liter. Cornstarch powder, 2 tablespoons. Milk powder, 2 tablespoons. White sugar, 4 tablespoons. Whole egg, 1. Vanilla powder, ½ teaspoon. Food color, pink orange. Combine all the ingredients. Cook on medium flame for 5 to 6 minutes until thick. Allow the mixture to cool down. Whipping cream, 2 cups. Add the cooled mixture to whipped cream. Combine both the mixture and whipped cream. Tutti Frutti.as per taste. Assemble the ice cream maker. Transfer the prepared mixture to machine. Run the machine for 20 minutes. Deassemble the machine and transfer mixture to dish. Top up with tutti fruit and cashew nuts. Cover with cellophane paper and freeze for 8 to 10 hours.